So today, I just fucking new chair. It's pretty sweeto. Just kidding. It's a kitchen chair. Today, I picked up this crap at the store. Honestly, I've never had a Twinkie in my life. This should be a good experience for me. Key lime slime. Damn. What? We've got these pretty nice Twinkies, and we're gonna get right into this food review. So we've got this thing. Looks kind of like something that an alien would put up your butt to read your mind. Okay, that's awesome. Recently, I found out a great mix. First, you're gonna want to take a battery. As you can see, there's a storm outside. Okay, insert it into the cream lamime, as seen. Then just take a bite. Tastes like disgustingness. Wow, that's actually really. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Minecraft 24/7. I'm making another Let's Play video. None of them white folks. Kill yourself. Honestly, I personally thought Twinkies would be. Why do they have these circles on the bottom? What? Do you supposed to put your finger in there? Just. Oh boy! Hey! Let me get my sound effect board out.
That's pretty good.